Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Okay, now I am going to take class 8 biology subject. What is biology? Bios means life. Logos means to study. To study. What is biology? To study of life. To study of life. This is about biology. Okay, it's very easy subject. Now I am going to take lesson 1. What is science? Do you know what is science? Science. What is the meaning of science? Do you know, children? Science is a Latin verb, shear. Latin verb, shear. Okay? It is a Latin verb, shear. Latin noun, scientia. Latin noun, scientia. Science is coming from a Latin verb, shear. Latin verb. It is a Latin verb, shear. Okay? And Latin noun, scientia, which means knowledge. Which means knowledge. Science is nothing but knowledge. Okay? See, children, science, it is an amazing thing. Nowadays, see, so many facilities are nowadays available now, children. Compared to primitive man, now see, so many facilities. Robots, computer, television, telephone, washing machine, cooler, fridge. So many facilities are there. But olden days, how it is primitive man life? He stays in caves. He is hunting and killing animals for food. Okay, he is searching. He is roaming. He is not staying in one place. Okay, like that. But nowadays, see how people are staying, spending very luxury life. They are staying in mansions, buildings. Okay, see how it's developed. Okay, that is science. Here, what is science? Science is a process. Science is process. Science is plus product. It is a process plus product. Okay, science is method plus knowledge. Method plus knowledge. Okay. Next, science is nothing but scientific method. Scientific method plus scientific knowledge okay. Scientific attitude. Scientific attitude. Science is it is a process and it is a product. Science is a product. Science is a process. Science is a method. Science is knowledge. Science is scientific method, scientific knowledge, scientific attitude. Okay, understand, children? This is about science. Okay, it is understanding the history of the natural world. Okay, so many efforts did na scientist. Okay, Conant. According to Conant said it is an interconnected series of knowledge. Science is interconnected series of knowledge. Science is interconnected series of knowledge. Interconnected series of knowledge. He said interconnected series of knowledge. W. Green, science is a process. According to W. Green, science is a process. This science is coming from a Wissenschaft. Okay. Wissenschaft is a German word. Science is coming from Wissenschaft. German word, that is Wissenschaft. Wissenschaft. Okay. It is a process, product, interconnected series of knowledge. Okay. This is a German word. This is about what is science. Okay. Sometimes we feel so many doubts. Okay. In nature, why leaves turn yellow and fell down. How ants identify sweets, identify sugars in a tin. Okay. Then sometimes we feel we kept food items outside, it will be spoiled. We kept food items in fridge, it will be not spoiled. What is the reason? Okay, so many doubts we will get. So many. Okay, this is about who can will be solved. That science will be solved. So all doubts who can will be solved. Science is nothing but knowledge. Science is knowledge. Okay. So many diseases came nowadays. Corona disease is there na? How can we control? How can we prevent? How can we have to take precautions? How can we remove the virus? How can we have to uh, vaccine? How can we discover vaccine? So many doubts is there na children. This is all about science. Okay, it is a history of the natural world, interconnected series of knowledge. Okay, so one scientist he will do some he will do, but other scientists will come, that is wrong, this is my thesis is correct. Okay, they will do. Finally same they are noted in their results na, same results will came all places, that only it will be acceptable to all. Okay, first he said this is correct according to my